Hello students, Namaste. So we are in lesson 13 now, and the title for this lesson is ये किसके लिए है? ये किसके लिए है? For whom is this? Right? So you see there are two new things for you in the title. First one is के लिए and the second one is किस. के लिए, you have already guessed it, I think. के लिए is a postposition. We have already done के पास, के साथ, के यहाँ, right? We have already done these postpositions. I have already discussed them. के पास is equivalent to has or have. के साथ is with, and के यहाँ is at the place of. Alright, and now we will see the uses of के लिए in this chapter. के लिए is for. For me would be मेरे लिए, for you तुम्हारे लिए, for you formal आपके लिए, for him or her, इसके लिए for near, and उसके लिए for far, then हमारे लिए for us, for them would be इनके लिए, उनके लिए, right? Now the second thing, kiss. Kiss is basically an oblique form. We have seen on in the last chapter. Con is who, and with con, if we put a postposition, then con will change its form and it will become kiss, and किसके लिए would be for whom. Alright, with that let's go to the lesson story. The lesson story is Raju. In the last lesson we saw Raju organized a small get-together in his hotel room. Alright, and he wanted to celebrate his birthday and also winnings. Students brought him gifts, and let's see now how they are congratulating Raju in Hindi. These are the 5 sentences. I will read these sentences slowly for you, and then we will discuss the grammar, structure, and new words used in these sentences. The first one is, try to repeat after me. आज का दिन. आज का दिन हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा है. आज का दिन हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा है. आज सर का जन्मदिन है. आज सर का जन्मदिन है. ये तोहफा आपके लिए है. ये तोहफा आपके लिए है. फोर्थ, मुस्कुराइए. मुस्कुराइए फोटो के लिए. इंग्लिश वर्ड फोटो के लिए. एंड फिफ्थ वन, अ क्वेश्चन. आप लोग घर के लिए कुछ खरीद रहे हैं. Alright, now let's discuss the grammar and the structure behind this sentence. So the first sentence is, आज का दिन हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा है। आज का दिन हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा है। आज का दिन, little translation, the day of today. The day of today हमारे लिए, for us, बहुत अच्छा. बहुत is very and अच्छा is good. बहुत अच्छा is very good. अच्छा because din is masculine noun, that's why अच्छा. Otherwise we would have, for a feminine for example, we would have used बहुत अच्छी, very good. Now the full translation is, today is a very good day for us, हमारे लिए. Yeah? Let's see the second sentence. आज सर का जन्मदिन है. आज, today is सर का, sirs जन्मदिन है. Din is day and janm is birth. Janmdin is birthday. Right? Janmadin is birthday. आज सर का जन्मदिन है. Today is sir's birthday. Now, it is very common to use sir in India for teachers and bosses. Alright? आज सर का जन्मदिन है. The third one is, ये तोहफा आपके लिए है. ये तोहफा आपके लिए है. तोहफा, written तोहफा but pronounced तोहफा. This is to, letter t of the year, o, then है, fa, तोहफा, but we do not pronounce it तोहफा, pronounce तोहफा. We kind of skip है sound. Do not pronounce है here. है is silent. तोहफा. तोहफा is gift. This gift is for you. This gift is for you. ये तोहफा आपके लिए है. Right? मुस्कुराइए फोटो के लिए. मुस्कुराइए. The verb here is मुस्कुराना. मुस्कुराना, to smile. And the tense is imperative. We have already seen लीजिए. Do you remember? Please take. The polite imperative form of the verb लेना, to take. लीजिए. Similarly, मुस्कुराइए is please smile. Is conjugated in imperative tense. Alright? मुस्कुराइए, please smile. फोटो के लिए, for the photo. फोटो के लिए, for the photo. Alright? Then, आप लोग घर के लिए कुछ खरीद रहे हैं. आप लोग, you people. घर के लिए, for home. कुछ something खरीद रहे हैं. खरीद is खरीदना. To buy. Present continuous. खरीद रहे हैं. Question. Are you guys buying something for home? Because the team is in another town. So someone is asking, are you guys buying something for home? Alright, so these were the 5 sentences. Now, you see there are 2 words here. Tohafa and photo. And the letter here is written like this in Hindi. But for foreign origin words like tohafa, a Persian Arabic word, and photo, an English word, we use a dot below the Hindi consonant h. Why? Because Hindi h is pronounced like this, h, h, h. But English and Persian p, p will be pronounced with a burst of air. Right? Is aspirated. Now pay attention to the pronunciation. H and p, h, p. Photo, 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 photo. Right? So that's why, to indicate that these words are foreign origin words and they must be pronounced differently, we use a dot here. Right? So that's it for the sentences. Now let's discuss these 2 exercises. The first exercise is make 5 sentences using all the postpositions you have learned till now. So let's write these 5 postpositions first. So first thing first, let me switch off the camera so that we have more space for writing answers. In the first exercise, we have to make sentences using postpositions we have learned till now. I think these are the postpositions we have learned till now. I'm forgetting. Please forgive me. के पास, के यहाँ, के लिए, and के साथ. These 4 are simple ones and these 4 are compound postpositions. Alright, now let's make sentences. मैं दिल्ली से राम के साथ आ रहा हूँ. I'm coming from Delhi with Ram. Here we used these 2. Now the second. Let's make with 1. मेरे पास तुम्हारे लिए कुछ नहीं है. I have for you nothing. I have nothing for you. के लिए and के पास we have used. Right? मैं उनके यहाँ जा रहा हूँ. I'm going to their face. Let's make one with पर. वो टेबल पर कुछ लिख रहा है. He's writing something on the table. Table पर. Then हम let's make one with का के की. हम दो लोगों के लिए खाना बना रहे हैं. हम दो लोगों के लिए खाना बना रहे हैं. We are cooking food for 2 people. दो लोगों के लिए. Log is people with plural and first position oblique case लोगों के लिए. Right? And then मैं घर में हूँ. I'm at home. Simple. So these were the sentences. Now let's fill the table. All right. Here I did a mistake. Is हम सब with के लिए. By mistake I made a cross here between ham and sab. Not correct. So these were the 2 exercises. Now translation is for you to help you. So you can check this. And then of course you can check the explanation part. And we have nothing to revise. We almost revised everything here in these 2 exercises. So that's all for now. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.